In this video, I'll be showing the ongoing construction and work progress of one of the overpass that has been constructed along the Lagos-Ibadan railway line in a boundary community in Ogun State. The community is Itoki, Ifo local government area of Ogun State. This overpass is being constructed very close to where used to be the old Itoki stopover station for the old narrow gauge. For residents in this community who want to travel to either Lagos, Abeokuta or Ibadan with the new standard gauge train, the closest station is the Lateef Jakande station in Agbado. The Itoki Overpass is being constructed to help vehicles heading in and out of Itoki to Agbado-Ijoko Road navigate easily without crossing on the railway lines, thereby separating the train movement from vehicular movement. This project is part of the Lagos-Ibadan Railway Modernization project. Thereby, it is being constructed by the federal government through the contractors that did the Lagos-Ibadan Railway project. Hopefully, the Ogun State government will key into this project as well by rehabilitating the major roads that leads to this bridge, one of which is the Agbado-Ijoko Road, which has been in a deplorable state, and also the Itoki Road, which can serve as alternative road to connect the Lagos-Abeokuta Expressway.